Para sa akin, I found my niche once again. Actually, right after nga the campaign, right after the election, for a while, medyo I was lost. Kahit na nandyan yung ibang mga proyekto natin. Like, to be perfectly honest, kilala din naman ako. Like for example, may mga certain brands, for example, na hindi na rin na nakapag-review, and perfectly understandable naman. Na kumbaga, a lot of things na I already had, kumbaga, bigla na lang na for very understandable business reasons, bigla na lang they had to medyo keep their distance na sa akin. Kumbaga, nawala ako na, teka lang, before the campaign, before the elections, everything was laid out already. Tapos nangyari ang mga bagay-bagay, and then after, parang everything fell into place right away. So parang ayoko na sayangin din yun, that opportunity, kasi not everyone is given a second chance na manumbalik sa industriya. And gusto ko mula sa puso ko, sa ibang mga endorsements ko, sa mga brands ko, na kahit things didn't go our way, hindi nawala yung tiwala sa akin. In fact, in 2 days, I'll be shooting with a new family. Tapos I have 3 renewals ng mga endorsements. So maraming salamat na yung tiwala pa rin sa akin. It's a big thing para pagka